Every second, over 10,000 Coca-Cola beverages are consumed around the world. But the story behind this drink is far from ordinary. Meet John Pemberton, a soldier and pharmacist who invented Coca-Cola while struggling with addiction. But what is his unlikely story that led to the creation of a drink that would be loved by millions and become a cultural icon? John Stith Pemberton was born on July 8, 1831 in Knoxville, Georgia. He was the son of James Clifford Pemberton and Martha L. Gant. The family moved to Rome, Georgia, where Pemberton spent most of his childhood. Pemberton displayed an early interest in medicine and chemistry. He pursued his education at the Reformed Medical College of Georgia in Macon, where he studied both pharmacy and medicine. The college, known for its progressive approach to medical education, provided Pemberton with a strong foundation in the pharmaceutical sciences. After completing his education, Pemberton opened a drugstore in Columbus, Georgia. His early career was marked by experimentation and innovation in pharmaceutical formulations. He was particularly interested in developing medical tonics and elixirs, which were popular at the time for their purported health benefits. In 1855, he moved to Columbus, Georgia, where he opened a wholesale retail drug business specializing in materia medica, the preparation and sale of medicinal substances. His business thrived, and by 1860, Pemberton had outfitted his laboratory with state-of-the-art equipment, some of which he designed and patented himself. His Civil War experience was marked by significant personal and professional challenges. Serving as a captain in the Confederate Army, in April 1865, Pemberton sustained a severe wound to the chest during the Battle of Columbus. He soon became addicted to the morphine used to ease his pain. In 1866, seeking a cure for his addiction, he began to experiment with painkillers that would serve as morphine-free alternatives. His first recipe was Dr. Tuggle's compound syrup of globe flower, in which the active ingredient was derived from the buttonbrush, a toxic plant. He next began experimenting with coca and coca wines. He eventually created a recipe that contained extracts of cola nut and demina, which he called Pemberton's French Wine Coca. During that time, the public was increasingly concerned with drug addiction, depression and alcoholism among war veterans, as well as nervous exhaustion among high-strung southern women. Pemberton's medicine was marketed as a remedy specifically designed to benefit ladies and those with sedentary jobs who suffer from nervous prostration. In 1886, when Atlanta and Fulton County enacted temperance legislation, Pemberton had to produce a non-alcoholic alternative to his French wine coca. Pemberton relied on Atlanta drugstore owner-proprietor Willis E. Venable to test and help him perfect the recipe for the beverage, which he formulated by trial and error. With Venable's assistance, Pemberton worked out a set of directions for its preparation. Then, finally, on May 8, 1886, Pemberton created a caramel-coloured syrup that would become Coca-Cola. He bought a jug of this syrup to Jacob's Pharmacy, where it was mixed with carbonated water and sold for 5 cents a glass. The drink was marketed as a soda fountain beverage, and the combination of the syrup and soda water provided to be delicious and refreshing, a slogan that Coca-Cola still uses today. Thinking that the two C's would look well in advertising, Dr. Pemberton's partner and bookkeeper Frank M. Robinson suggested the name and penned the now famous trademark Coca-Cola in his unique script. The first newspaper ad for it soon appeared in the Atlanta Journal, inviting thirsty citizens to try the new and popular soda fountain drink. After this, hand-painted oilcloth signs reading Coca-Cola appeared on store awnings, with the suggestion "drink" added to inform passers-by that the new beverage was for soda fountain refreshment. Initially, the drink was marketed as a tonic for common ailments, advertised to relieve exhaustion and headaches due to its caffeine content from cola nuts and cocaine extract from coca leaves. This medicinal positioning was common for beverages at the time. Despite its initial modest sales of about 9 drinks per day in the first year, it began to gain popularity. After the death of Dr. Pemberton in 1888, Asa Chandler quickly secured the exclusive rights to the name Coca-Cola from Pemberton's son, Charlie, by offering £300 to Charlie's mother at his funeral. Chandler later negotiated with Margaret Dozier and her brother to claim full ownership of the beverage. By May 1, 1889, Asa Chandler asserted full ownership of the beverage after making a total investment of $2,300 in the drink enterprise. Chandler adopted several innovative marketing strategies, including extensive advertising and distributing free drink coupons. This significantly increased visibility and consumer base. By the turn of the century, Coca-Cola was sold nationwide and had become a household name. The transition from fountain to bottle was a pivotal moment and marked the beginning of its journey into homes and daily lives. The Vicksburg businessman Joseph A. Biden played a crucial role in this shift. He saw the potential of the beverage to be enjoyed beyond the confines of soda fountains. Utilizing a simple bottling machine, Biden bottled Coca-Cola for the first time and sent a case to the company's headquarters in Atlanta. This entrepreneurial spirit caught the attention of the company, which quickly realized that bottling was the key to mass distribution. By 1899, Benjamin F. Thomas and Joseph B. Whitehead obtained exclusive rights to bottle and sell nationwide for a mere $1. It was an agreement that laid the foundation for the Coca-Cola bottling system. The iconic glass bottle, which had become synonymous with the brand, was introduced in 1916. It further cemented the company's place in the fabric of American culture, as the beverage could now travel anywhere, creating a new experience for the consumer. But events turned around on September 12, 1919. Coca-Cola Co. was bought by a group of investors led by Ernest Woodruff's trust company for $25 million. The company was then reincorporated under Delaware General Corporation law. Then the design patent for the Coca-Cola contour bottle was issued on December 25, 1923, and it was nicknamed the Christmas bottle. Then, in 1941, the US entered World War II, and demand for the drink from US soldiers serving overseas increased significantly. The company under Woodruff's leadership started building bottling plants in various countries to meet the rising demand. On November 15, 1955, Coca-Cola introduced the first king-size and family-size bottles, marking a significant milestone in the company's product offerings. It further diversified its packaging options by introducing metal cans for its beverages in 1960. Since 1978, Coca-Cola has been a proud sponsor of the FIFA World Cup and other prestigious competitions organised by FIFA. The partnership between Coca-Cola and FIFA has been long-standing and prominent in the world of sports. In 1981, Roberto C. Guizetta took over as chairman of the board of directors and CEO of the Coca-Cola Company. Under Roberto C. Guizetta's leadership, it introduced Diet Coke in 1982 as the first extension of the Coca-Cola trademark. It quickly became the most popular low-calorie soft drink globally. On April 23, 1985, the company introduced New Coke with a modified formula, which faced backlash from the consumers, leading to the return of the original formula as Coca-Cola Classic on July 10, 1985. In November 1985, it decided to shake things up by introducing a new taste formula. However, it was met with a strong disapproval from customers, leading the company to return to the original formula. In 1993, it launched a new advertising campaign that introduced the world to the iconic Coca-Cola polar bear for the first time. Then, the company sponsored the 1996 Summer Olympics in Atlanta, allowing the company to showcase its connection to its hometown. The sponsorship was part of ongoing support for the Olympic Games. In October 1998, it sponsored the FIFA World Soccer Cup, aiming to refresh the event and reach a global audience through sports. During the 2010 Winter Olympics in Vancouver, the company released localized commercials, including one that celebrated Canada's hockey heritage. The commercial was modified after Canada won the gold medal game on February 28, 2010. On March 8, 2010, Coca-Cola introduced the Freestyle, an innovative fountain dispenser in the US. In November 2012, Coca-Cola launched the six-pack, offering a more convenient packaging option for its products. And so, the tale of John Pemberton serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, innovation and perseverance can lead to unexpected triumphs. From the depths of addiction to the heights of success, Pemberton's journey is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to overcome and transform. What's your favourite surprising fact about Coca-Cola's history? Share with us in the comments. Subscribe for more.